Hello, this is Kyle Van Hook, and I'm here to show off my very small final project for CSC203 Java Programming 1. For the final project, I decided that I wanted to try and make uh, a miniature slot machine simulator instead of just another text-based adventure. I guess before I actually show you the program, this is the main. We end up creating a slot here. There's just a frame here, and we set it to visible. This is our frame. We're creating well, actually, this part's interesting because we're technically making like what, one, two, three, four, 5 to 6 little miniature frames here to just act as dialogue between you and a person and to get input. Then we're making a whole nother frame, which will be the actual slot machine. We have a button so that once you press it, you will take like a quarter or a token or whatever they use for gambling out of uh out of the person whenever they roll. Oh, where did I put that? I'm having a Mhm. I'm having a brain fart because thanks for listener. Roll slots, yeah. Yeah, all right. Here it is. Sorry, there's a lot of stuff here. Basically, we're gonna check if the gambler has any money. If they don't have any money, or if they're in the negative, so we're gonna bump them out of casino because they have nothing else for us to take. We have something for slot winnings. We're going to do the method, roll slots from our slot machine, which will take some money from our gambler, and it will give us slot winnings if they even win. If they do have any slot winnings, we'll just add the money, which maybe some, maybe zero, should be fine. And then we also have another section for winnings that should be going on the machine itself. This is just what the machine is going to look like. 2 buttons. Oh, well, a button panel and a text panel. And this is the method for roll slots, at least in here. And then here we're making a actual slot machine. We're making 3 slot winnings, and I think let's go to the slot machine. In the slot machine, we're uh, basically just making some random slot machine. We only have one method, and it's spin slot, where we have a custom E number, we have slot winnings, and we have a random number generator. For every one slot, or at least one playthrough of this, we're going to uh, roll the slot. And in this case, we are looking for the uh, checking to see if random number is zero through well, a number 0 through 4, so like 5 numbers in total. And if it is zero in the case of zero, it'll be a slot number X or slot enum X, in which case we'll then take the slot winnings, get the slot symbol, and we're going to get the symbol value. And we're basically just going to do the whole thing through the switch statement, and then return the slot winnings. We have a slot symbol enum, which is a custom enum. We have we have 5 slot symbols. We have an X, we have a club, we have a heart, we have an omega, and we have lucky 7. And their E number key, well, actually, yeah, E number key is like these capitalized words or letter in the case of X. And the values are the number values here. And these are supposed to represent how much winnings you'd be getting if you got triple of each. Uh, oh, that's going to be in the way. Yeah, that's done. Oh yeah, I did not show Gambler. And Gambler is just a small little thing to hold a person's uh person. We do use it just so that we have a place to store the gambler's money and to also get current money, add money, and remove money. Honestly, everything else we didn't really even need. I made this before we learned of the whole final project, but at least it was a small increase. And then this section is just up above there were three slots that are supposed to represent the actual spinning slots, and we're getting strings, and we're going to based on the slot winning numbers, we're going to change whatever slot value or symbol is in there, going from an X, a club, a heart, an omega, and a seven. We'll do that for all three of them. And then we have five if statements to just check if all three of them equal the value of the E number. So that way, if all the slot winnings are one, the total slot winnings will be one, five, five, so on and so forth. And then we'll just return the slot winnings. And that's pretty much it, how the whole thing works. I need a J. Okay, I thought there was no J. And as we see, we have casino reception. Welcome to the UAT Grand Casino. We have many games and fine luxuries to enjoy. Before you can get set in and enjoy your stay, may we have your first name? Kyle. Last name is Van Hook. And name isn't really important, but age is very important when you're gambling. So let's say I'm 18. Oh, we apologize, but it seems you're too young to enter. I will have to ask you to leave. Oh no, I got booted. All right, let's go through this show again. Okay. And will 21 work? Oh, look, that's the age limit. 21 works. Well, now we stay, and we're now in our little casino, or in our slot machine. We have 100 chips to use, and we have no winnings. Let's roll. And this is basically how this machine works. Once you get in, you just keep clicking like a regular slot machine, and hopefully you get triples, which may or may not happen. I wanted to base this off of like an old school. Hey, look, see, triple hearts, and we end up winning. Yep, triple hearts, 10 coins, and we can keep winning, and it was added to our count or current money. Yeah, mega. So we had mega was 50. Yep, that works. I think we got triple for five. Yep, triple X. So that's one. But we can continue to do this until actually let's speed run this just so I can show you that yeah we will get booted and hopefully we don't get any more triples. I think I did get triples. Oh crap. Okay, you know what? This is taking too much time. Let me. Where's the gambler? All right, let's just set this to 10. Mm, Hook 22. Spin, 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 spin. Oh crap, we got the 100. All right, we get 1 because we're getting really lucky. All right, we're at 0, and if we click again, we will. Unfortunately, it seems you have run out of money. We will have to ask you to leave, and then we get booted. And that is that's the game and the program. Thank you for listening. This went on probably longer than it was supposed to be, but I hope you have a good time. Cheers.